Hello everyone, today we are going to take a look at amazing tools that makes your life way easier and you might never heard of them before. So relax and enjoy this one. This Diablo blade attachment combined with Milwaukee and DeWalt construction tools can cut through wooden poles faster than many tools on the market right now. It's very convenient for hard to reach places and small working area. Having difficulty hammering down some nails? Don't worry, this pneumatic hammer tool can do it in less than 1 second. And here's how you can remove the nails easily from the tip using a pressurized nails puncher. It utilizes fast and repetitive air pressure to remove nails from the board. This is magnetic spinner glass. It utilizes an electromagnetic plate spinner to spin stirrer sticks when you put it inside. This stirrer can be used to dissolve sugar as you make a cup of tea or coffee. This metal scraper tool will make your work of removing wall wrapper way easier with only a hammer. And here are some tools that are being used when installing a wooden deck. The gap is usually created and sealed by stainless steel clips which can be installed with a screwdriver. A spring puncher tool can help you attach bolt or nails to any surface. For example, wood, aluminum, or even steel, thanks to the power of spring and air pressure. Here you can see pipe freezing system called Rofrost. It can freeze existing installations for repair or maintenance. It uses heat conductive paste to guarantee optimal freezing results. This is a grease gun, common workshop and heavy construction tool used for lubrication. It usually used to apply a lubricant through hidden or narrow apertures. This is Demo Deck, a simple yet cleverly designed lever tool for removing wooden deck. A perpendicular driller attachment allows you to drill any holes in very tight spaces, which otherwise is impossible to do with an ordinary drill. Losing your shoelaces? Don't worry, this handy tool will always be there for you. Now you can have shoelace at any length. This is Track Belt 360, a uniquely designed belt that allows you to carry and use set of tools all at once. This Rhino hitch allows you to adjust height up to 15 centimeters depending on the ground clearance and payload weight. Here you can see the snow shovel evaporating snow in the air, thanks to the rotary shovel inside that push the snow out. This automatic wrench will definitely save your time and energy. Here you can see a nut adapter that's capable of installing a nut bolt on any thin metal surfaces. The main function of it is to strengthen bolt interaction with the metal surface. We are happy that you were watching until this point. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so we can provide you with more awesome content. Thank you, and have a nice day. This 3 brushes rotary tool can be used to clean inside the pipe way easier and faster than using cloth and water. Have you ever stressed out because of an expensive dull blade that you bought a long time ago? Now you can sharpen it up using this comb-shaped sharpener tool for only $40. By utilizing the power of a vibration motor, this vibration cutter tool can cut small metals and wood planks easily. A very convenient tool for woodworking. This plastering bucket uses compressed air to make the job quicker and cleaner. Equipped with a front handle to help stabilize and control the bucket. This unique design water tap is using turbine roller attachment to ensure the water is spreading, thus it becomes more effective for cleaning dishes.